Hey, welcome to the 2018 SGIA show, and this is the AIT booth. And just a quick walkthrough on everything that we've got in here. We've got a triangle backlit sign here right in the front displaying all our equipment. Then we're showcasing the 1550 PA platen press with two 16 by 20 bottom platens, and this is foot pedal controlled so that the head or the heated platen on the top cycles back and forth. We've got it on a table here. Customers can have their own table or order a table from us as an option, and it is right next to the 7460 Sport. This is a rotary heat press that has the Sport table on the front that allows you to unwind print paper face up or print side up and put cut parts on the paper as it goes into the machine. So this has a 14-inch diameter drum. All the AIT machines are oil heated drums, and so what happens here is you unwind printed print paper. You can unwind fabric if you want to run roll to roll, and then the rewind down here that doesn't have anything on it for the moment, but the core has is where you rewind the used print paper. So what happens is, go over here to the control panel side. By the way, we have all the doors slightly open because we have a new maintenance lighting system. So this LED lighting system will illuminate the cabinet completely, so that when you're in here you can see what's going on. And that's here. That's also underneath the table here, and of course on the other side of the side frame. So the 7460 Sport runs product, and here's where everything exits. There's an exit conveyor down below. Try to turn that on. That takes the part away. You can see here that that's turning, and you want that to be slightly faster than your run speed so product gets pulled off of there without folding. And then here's the separation point between the print paper and the parts. Got the light tower here that shows how things are going. If there's an issue, green light of course means all is good. This is the exit conveyors, kind of our storage or exit side of the machine. Also is kind of our storage area. But you can see the exit conveyor on the bottom. That's where parts come out. Here's the blotting tissue unwind, blotting tissue rewind, and the fabric rewind if you're running roll to roll. Controls for the unwind or for the rewinds are here. And as usual, as always, we've got our serial plate that gives you all the vital information for whatever machine it is for AIT. Hard to see down here in our mess, but here's where the power goes in. There's a hole punched in the side frame, and power goes directly into the terminals there. So now we're of course inside the booth. There's the back of the triangle. Here's a nice photo print and our AIT table, both of which are printed using the Chromolux product. This is an aluminum product from Chromolux, and this is a Formica type top from Chromolux. They're printed on big platen presses. This is the 240 CR. Has a platen area of 42 inches deep by 63 inches wide, and we're running some transfers here that shows the zone coverage and the zone control that you get with the AIT platen press machines to ensure that we have even color at all times. So that's the 240 CR, platen press, pneumatic, push-in table. You can have large overhanging parts, etc. We brought our material handling cloth unwind truck. So you're looking at our model 125 that we've made for years. This one is to accommodate 66-inch wide products, but not to worry, these go out to 120 inches if you want a wider one. This has the brackets that will hold the roll of fabric. Here we have it on tapered cones and actually outfitted with ball bearings, so the unwind is easy to use. Some customers use this to unwind into other, I don't know, laminating equipment or other processes. Other customers use it to just store product. It's on a super strong base, big casters, all of them swivel, all of them lock. This has almost a 2,000 pound capacity. So that is the 125 cloth unwind. The other side we've got outfitted this year with, let's see if I can get a good hold on, here we go, with this is shelving that you can store rolls of fabric on. So you can get this truck with, instead of the brackets that you saw on the other side here, you can get it with these shelf arms that will hold rolls of fabric if you just want to use this for pure storage rather than using it for unwinding and so forth. Either way, same base, same big casters, locking and swivel. Brought our spin box. This is our fabric frame division, and so this is a 36 by 72 inch high spin box that is LED backlit and is on a platform so that you have a commutator ring and electricity is able to go from the motor down below up until the LED box. Here's the back of the 240 CR platen press that we just talked about. That uses compressed air, of course. And again, here's the needs for amperage and so forth on this machine. We also make this machine in a smaller platen area, down to 30 by 40 inches, if it's applicable. And just a collage here of fabric frame displayed products of all of our machinery division and material handling, and you kind of name it. But this shows that we can do fabric frame and equipment. The fabric frame frames can be different colors, and just a unique way of displaying things. So that is the AIT booth for 2018. If you came to see us, sure appreciate it. And if you're a customer, we sure appreciate you guys always. And if we can help you, please reach out to us at info@aitequipment.com.